I haven't used this camera in so long. Alright. Hey y'all, this is Carrie, and this week I did not get a video done for YouTube, and it's mainly because I had a fever for a good portion of the week. Yesterday is when I finally broke my fever, so I'm definitely feeling better today, but I did not get a video done this week. So what I wanted to do was, first off, I'm sorry if the sound is bad. I'm actually filming on my old camera because I just don't have the energy to pull out my nice camera. So going back to old school. But anyway, I wanted to ask for y'all's help. I really want to do Inktober this year. I've never been able to really keep up with it in the past because of projects, and I'm late because I got sick. But I was thinking about something that would be easy for me to do, but yet still keep up with the Inktober challenge. So I really wanted to do animals or creatures, like mythical creatures, for Inktober, and just try drawing one animal, basically at the very end, 31 animals for the whole month. And since I'm behind, I'm gonna have to do several animals in one day. But anyway, I wanted y'all to give me suggestions of what type of animals you would like to see me draw and paint with ink or watercolor concentrates. I'm going to be playing around with ink as well as watercolor concentrates over this next month. So anyway, please give me feedback. I'm going to be making a list from all of your feedback basically. And if there's an animal that shows up multiple times, I'll make sure to definitely put that animal, or even a mythical creature if you want. Dragons or unicorns or whatever. Just go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. And I'm going to add basically the most popular ones to the list of 31 animals. So that would help me a lot. And I want to also include you in kind of this journey and this challenge to myself. So anyway, I am gonna go back and rest over the weekend, and then after taking in basically the comments from this video, I'm gonna start creating a list and getting that ready for next week. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I'll keep you updated on that. And then for the next couple of weeks on YouTube, I'll be sharing my journey and sharing different supplies that I'm using and that sort of stuff. So anyway, lots of love, y'all. Hopefully you are not sick with the crud. For some reason, I went to the doctor this week and it was crazy. There was a lot of sickness going around. Let's just put it that way. So yeah, there was a lot of sickness, and I unfortunately was one of the people who got it. So get your flu shot and stay healthy, y'all. All right, lots of love. Bye.